Opening shot, black and white footage of wartime Japan, subtle heartbeat thumping. On the outskirts of Harbin, in Japanese-occupied China, a place existed so secret, it was known only by a number, Unit 731. Here, behind barbed wire and silence, doctors in crisp uniforms performed acts that would haunt history: vivisection on live prisoners, weapon tests on the human body, and experiments so cruel, they defy imagination. But when World War II ended and Allied investigators arrived, what they discovered was even more chilling than the rumors. On-screen text, Unit 731, The Shadow of Biological Warfare, 1937 to 1945. The records were precise. Prisoners, called maruta or logs, were exposed to plague, cholera, and frostbite, while others were dissected alive, without anesthesia, to observe the effects of disease on organs. Doctors catalogued each result with scientific detachment, feeding evidence into Japan's secret biological weapons program. Yet, as investigators pored over documents and interrogated witnesses, a horrifying truth emerged: these atrocities weren't just the acts of mad scientists, but part of a calculated military strategy, with the knowledge and blessing of high command. On-screen text, quoted testimony: "They injected us with germs. We begged to die." Survivor account. In a twist that shocked the world, many Unit 731 leaders avoided prosecution in exchange for sharing their research with the United States. The dark knowledge from these experiments was quietly absorbed into post-war biological warfare programs, never acknowledged in court, and barely whispered in history books. Was justice truly served, or had the world traded morality for military advantage? The full extent of what investigators uncovered remains partially classified to this day. As the doors of Unit 731's ruins creak open in our collective memory, one question lingers: if such monstrous acts can be hidden behind the veil of science and war, what other secrets might still lie in the shadows, waiting for the light? Fade out over haunting music, on-screen text, dark true history and forgotten human experiments.